How to connect Wix with Square. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can connect Wix to Square. So first of all, just open your Wix, and here on the home screen dashboard, you will see these options at the left hand side of your screen. Just click on settings. So you can either do it by click on business info or language and region. So basically, in order to connect your Wix to your Square, you have to make sure that your region is in USA or Canada, because Square is available in USA and Canada only. And also you need to make sure that your payment method is connected to Square. So in order to connect your payment method, just click on billing and payment and just click on payments, and after that, here on this page, just click on manage payment methods. Now you have to connect Square with Wix. So you have to see that your business location has to be United States or Canada. So if your location is not any of those, just make sure to search it here and connected, click on choose. And now once you choose Canada, you will be able to see the option for Square. And once you find out Square in the particular list, just click on connect. So this is how you will be able to connect Wix with Square. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.